Hi friends, it's me Birg. What I have is so very exciting. It is the ultimate sub for November. Yay! It is so cute. It's called Staying Cozy. Isn't it adorable? Isn't this cute? I think these are guinea pigs. I'm not sure, but I just thought they were adorable. And here's what it says inside. It's happy planning time. It's got skeins of yarn and hats and mittens and little knitting needles and some more yarn. Isn't that cute? And this is kind of a yellow peachy. I would say peachy, more peachy. Peachy and purple, pretty. Okay, so here's what comes inside. Isn't that neat? All right, so I'm gonna pull it all out and then we'll put the box aside and I'll just go through everything. What do you think? This is so adorable. I just got this in. I'm so excited. I love the Ultimate Sub. You get so many stickers. They're very high quality because it's Hubman and Chubgirl, and I just love getting this every month. And we get a preview. You get a preview before it comes. It's fun to see that. Okay, so isn't this cute? This is the enamel pen. And then they have got the two cute washies. This is the guinea pigs doing funny stuff. Isn't that cute? So cute. Look at the front. Isn't that cute? Okay, and then here's the front of this one. It's warm and cozy. As you can see, it's all the little cutie things that are on the front, the knitting needles, all that good stuff. Isn't that cute? Okay, so those are the washies. Here are your die cuts. Aren't these so cute? All right, yay, how cute are these? Okay, now let's see. Okay, all right, so these are cute. Oh my goodness, look at this. Look at how cute these are. Like the string. Oh my gosh. And now he's gotten himself all wrapped up in that. How cute. Oh my goodness, look at this. Look at the eyes on that one. How cute is this? Oh my. All cozied up. And then reading. Oh, that's going to be great. That is so cute. Okay, these are adorable. The next thing we have is the Hobonichi, and I think it's probably the 6 pages. This is your weekly setup. The opening. Oh, here it is. This is so cute. Okay, now, aren't these cool? How cute is this? Look at these cute boxes. Aren't those cute? And you've got the weekdays and the numbers and then these other things with the trackers. Isn't this cute? Here's your bill due. You've got your little emojis. You've got your appointment boxes. Some more of the headers right here. These are the little guinea pigs in the different areas. Isn't that cute? I love that. That's cute too. Okay, so that's that. Then here are the full boxes. Aren't they cute? You get a bunch of them. 9. Look, you've got them trying to knit. You've got all the scarves and things they've done. Here's we're cozying and sleeping. It says, let's be cozy. Isn't this cute? And then you've got your headers, the to-do, work, don't forget groceries, all these great ones. Okay, here are the appointment boxes. You get all of them. Isn't this cute? And then you get some more with the little guinea pigs on them and all this good stuff. Wow, these are so cute. Oh, I love the colors. The purple and orange is really a clever combination. Here are your headers here, and there's your weekend, and then you've got your weekdays and your trackers, and there's the week one, and then again you've got your washies. You've got the guinea pigs here, and then these skeins of yarn. Okay, and more weekend. What's that, weekend? Yeah, you've got 4 more weekends. Look at how many days you get, and then more trackers. Whoops, yeah, more trackers. Isn't this really nice? I mean, you get all of these days with all the little the icons on it. So cute. So cute. I love this. This is a cute collection. Okay, so let's put that here. Let's do the vertical. I'll get to that in just a second since we just did the Hobonichi's cousins. Let's do this one here. Let's see. Okay, let's put that aside. Here's the vertical. Aren't these adorable? Oh my, look at how cute. So here's your full boxes. This is your 2-box spread, and there is not a split in between this time. It doesn't look like it. Looks like it just splits off, but no split. Okay, and then there's the headers. Aren't these cute? They're little candles, different colors. You've got the boxes here. I love that one with the guinea pigs, and this is one of my favorites. This says Cozy Weather and Let's Be Cozy. Aren't these the cutest things? Okay, I think you get 6 pages with this one. You get your boxes, the appointment boxes, which are cute. Look at the washies. Oh my, they've got all the different stuff, and that is a gingham underneath. Isn't that cute? And these are adorable. That is so funny. He's cross-eyed almost. And then you've got him like, hey, everything's great. This is so cute. Okay. And then you have your, your list that you can do, check off. They've got full boxes, and then they've just got the little side ones. You've got great trackers here. There's 4 plus 2 bills due. There's a thankful and a don't forget and 2 tabs and then little dots. Nice, nice. And then here are all of your, dates. You've got your to-do list, all of your weekends, and then here's another set of days. And then look at this. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sets of days. They've got different cute icons on here. You've got the candles, the yarn. How adorable are these? The ginghams are cute. You've got a little umbro one, another umbro, and then one with all the different colors. How adorable. Oh my goodness. This is the cutest little set. Oh, I just love it. Okay, so that's cute. Okay, now, with the Ultimate Sub, you get the Variety Sticker Pack, and I can already tell you it is adorable. There are 7 things of stickers, 7 different sticker sheets in here. This is the back. All right, we're going to pull it out, the whole thing. And what I love about these is you can really use just about every one of them. You know, I use some of these, the die cuts and things on different things, like my microphone case or whatever that's hard to see. Let me show you. Isn't this cute? Do you see? Now I can find it anytime, anywhere. It blended in with this black. It blended in with everything, but these are so great to use for something like that. Okay. Isn't this cute? You can use this part. You can make a card out of the top half or staying cozy. I mean, isn't that adorable? You could even cut that out and put it in a little frame. That would be cute on a desk. Maybe I should do that. Okay, now let's look at these. These are gold rimmed, if you can see that. Isn't that cute? And it's all the different yarn. How cute is that? And now you've got the circles, and they say things like cozy day, let's be cozy, let's unwind. How cute is that? You're terrific. How cute. Oh my goodness, these are adorable. They would be perfect on the back of little note cards, or even on just a little fun note for people. Here are the postcard stamps. These are great. They're going to be wonderful to use. I cannot wait. And they've got a photo strip looking one. How cute. And this one's kind of an oval. Isn't that cute? Look at this. You've got them all together. They're reading, they're drinking tea. Then the one is knitting, and then they're both knitting. How cute are these? Okay. And these are new. They haven't done these. These are stamps, and they're rimmed in gold. And I don't think, this part doesn't come off. Just the stamp. Oh, and they are ridged. How cute are these? Look at that. It says cozy weather, love, let's be cozy. And they're little foil on them. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, you can see that. How cute is this? He's in the cup. Okay, and then you get the little beanie. Oops. Then you get all the different scarves and beans and hats and that stuff. And these are also gold rimmed, if you can see that. Cute. And then the candles are the thing that have the different faces on it this time. How cute. Look at that. I don't know if you can see here. I'll bring them up closer. Isn't that cute? Cute, cute. Okay, so that is the Variety Sticker Pack. They just have the cutest ideas. I don't know how they come up with them, but they're adorable. So let's put that right here. Okay, now, then this is November, so you get your November days. You get your November, your little stickers for November. You get 2 of those. You get all these numbers again, plus date covers, plus another ton of date covers, and then the actual dates. Isn't that cute? So you get a bunch of those in there. So I'll put those up here. And then you get the mini stickers, the mini versions of these little guys all over. Isn't this cute? Oh my goodness. This is the little yarn basket. It does have a face on it. I don't know if you can see it. There's the one where he's all wound up. How cute. How cute is that? You get that. You get this one, which is so funny. You get the one who's so happy, and then you get the little guy who's kind of a little cross-eyed looking at his stuff. Okay. And then here are there's the drinking the tea. This is perfect. Oh my goodness, these are so cute. And then they're all wrapped up in the different scarves. How cute is this? The different ones. We've got the gray one. They got all of them in here. I love that one. Isn't that adorable with just the hat on? And then you've got all the different things. The yarn with the needles, the candles, the skeins of yarn, the books, and then the yarn ball with the needles. That's so cute. And then you get all the scarves and mittens and hats. Oh, they even have the slippers on this one. And then here's some more. How cute is this set? This is adorable. Okay, so let's do this. Let's put this over here. I'll get this fixed in just a second. Okay, now look at this. Okay, so they come with these little things. Hold on. Let's turn this over first, and I'll show you that in just a minute. Okay, so in the Ultimate Sub, you get a special thing because you've done the Ultimate Sub, and that's the to-do list this time. Isn't that nice? I wonder if it's a sticky notes. Let's see. Or is it just a list? Let's see what it is. I don't know. I have not seen anything on this. Yeah, it's just a pad of paper. How nice is that? This is perfect. You can add this to your planner in a pocket. It's great to put beside your stuff. That's adorable. Okay, and then you get these cutie faces. Look, oh my. How cute are those? Okay, and then in each one they do a little bit about the collection, and Chubgirl and Hubman sign at the bottom, and then on the back is a little cute scene. Isn't that adorable? They're all three doing something. How fun is that? Okay, so we'll put that aside. And then you get these great deco stickers. You get a ton of deco stickers. Isn't this cute? Oh my goodness. This is just the most adorable thing. Oh my, aren't they cute with the little teacups and all cozied up? How cute is this? And then you get the slippers. Oh, the slippers. Those are so cute. And then the hats you can put on top of them if you want, or just put them around. The mittens, they're reading. How cute is this? Oh my goodness. And we're back again. How adorable. Okay, so you get these three. You get your sticker set. You've got your Planny Cozy set. All your mini stickers. Aren't these cute? And the little Hobonichi thing. You've got your washies that are cute. Maybe I can put those there. Will that stay? Maybe. And the little enamel pen. And then you get all of these little die cuts. Now, if you got the Ultimate Sub, you'll get those too. If not, you can, I think they have these for sale, the little die cuts. Aren't they cute? This is the cutest collection. I love it. I cannot wait to do layouts with this. You're going to have to look for that because you're going to see these. They are so cute. I just absolutely love this collection. I think it's adorable. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I know that you have other things that you could be doing, and I do appreciate it. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. I'm going to link Hubman and Chubgirl down below. And thank you for spending time with me today. If you want some cute gifts, don't forget, I do have giftmallard.com, and that's my store. So if you want to take a peek at that and see what we've got, you're welcome to do that. And if you love planning, crafts, maybe a little creativity, you're in the right place. Until next time, please stay cozy, stay creative, and keep on planning. Bye.